Hi, welcome to Python Calculator developed in Visual Studio 2015. It works like any other calculator using Python language. So I will now take you straight into Visual Studio 2015 and you guys will see how I've put this together and why I put it together. Let's go into 2015 now. Hi, welcome to Visual Studio 2015. Today I just want to play around with the new component. There are some component or some application in this 2015, so I like to play around with Python. It's been quite some time now I have a go at Python, so I just want to show it to you guys. So Python is selected, and I'm going to select Python application there. I don't know how it works on 2015, but I'm going to play around with. Let me just play around with one of my calculator there, and just say V2015. V_2015. Okay, I would now, maybe I should put pi right in front of it, py_calculator V2015. Okay, that's just for my own reference anyway. I'll click on OK. So let's hang on for the, yeah, it's loading now. Now there we go. That's the Python development interface. So maybe I should just browse around and see how the Solution Explorer is. I don't seem to understand anything here yet. Still just having a go at it. And I don't know whether it's neither Team Explorer on Python, but what I would do is, let me go straight into my shared drive and just copy one of my calculator that I developed many years ago, or maybe 2 years ago. I'm going to copy this. I actually use LAMS theory there. So let's copy it all copied. So Control C. There, I've copied it, so I'm just going to minimize that. Come right here, paste it right in there. So let's play around with it and just run it and see what will happen. And I think we might have something. See, there we go, guys. For those of you who are used to my channel, you must have seen this calculator there, and that's it. It seems it's working. So that means Visual Studio 2015 can help you with Python tutorial as well. Okay, so let's carry out one or two changes on this very calculator. Maybe change the background color because it's similar to the previous one I have on the system. So let's close that. Then if you look at the background here, I have powdered blue there. I think that's my background. Here is also powdered blue. And supposing I decide to take off all of this powdered blue, whatever, let's just take it off and see what will happen. If I delete that, let's cut that off. And I still don't know how to comment here. I might be right. Okay, that's correct. Let's get rid of this powdered blue here as well. And just comment it out here. And I will now run it and see what will happen again. Alright, look at that. But all here is now white. And it still does exactly the same thing. So this whole tutorial is just to show you that you can develop an app in 2015. So, but first thing, you must import that Okay, import all of the component of Tinker. And right here I have the that's for the text box as well. That's the text box itself. And this is just the area where it's located. So supposing, just to verify that is the area, supposing I get this powder brick back in there, let me copy it and just dump it in here and run it again. There. Okay, the text box area is white. Alright, that's for the background actually. That's for the background. So this one is for the text area. Yeah, that's right. Look at it. It's for the display. Okay. So let me just show you guys the code. I just show it to you. It's all about using Visual Studio 2015 to develop your own Python application, and that's it. Those are the lines of code. It's similar to the one I use in the Python development environment itself, and I can even show you that this is exactly the same lines of code in Python. So if I run it, you see exactly the same result there. Okay, and you can do whatever you want to do in there. Alright, so if you want, that's it right there. In 2015, for all my viewers out there, those are the lines of code. But then let's you guys have seen the lines of code, so let's change one or two things more here. See, because if I run it, you see what I'm talking about. I have these two there. They actually do exactly the same thing. So let's get rid of one of them. So we'll come right here. Maybe I should get rid of this. Delete that. And here, you notice those are the numbers. Okay, and here we have the equals button, and the other changes is let me replace my background. Let's take it back. Just put that color back in there, and delete all of these. I don't really need them anymore. Okay, let's run it again and see. There we go, guys, right there. So that's your calculator in Visual Studio using Python programming language. Alright, so those are the lines of codes again, guys. Let's just take it down. There. So with that, I'll just call it bye for now.